Good morning. I am Dr. Madhuri Chatterjee from DPD Government College, Chiminpura, and we go to another 5 marks question, which is active passive, and this is something very interesting. We have already done verbs, we have done the parts of speech, we have done adverbs, we have done how to form verbs, the kind of verbs, and the voices. Uh, Now, let me explain. Voice is the form verb takes to indicate whether the subject of the verb performs or receives the action. Okay, so who is speaking? Voice by voice means who is speaking and what is being spoken. What is he speaking? There are two types of voices. First is the active voice, and then second one is a passive voice. The active voice indicates that the subject of the verb is acting. Okay, I am working hard. I am working hard. So you have I. I is working. So this is, it is indicating the subject of the verb. Because the subject does or acts upon the verb in such a sentence, the sentence are said to be in active voice. So because I am talking, I am explaining to you, I am explaining a lecture to you. This is all something which is in active voice. The examples of active voice, that the subject is doing the verb's action. Suppose example, the dog jumped onto the boy. The dog jumped onto the boy. The dog is the subject, because I had already, as VOCA formation we had already done. I hope you understand now. So the dog is the subject, is doing the jumping. And what is the action? Jumping is the action, is the verb. So the dog is jumping over the boy or onto the boy. The Krishna will give a book report to the class. Krishna is the subject, is doing the giving to, who is he giving? To the class. Okay, the computer ate my paper. The computer is subject, is doing the eating, which is the verb. So this is very simple. Now you have to say the same thing in a different manner, and that is the passive voice. When you speak, the subject and the objects, they flip flop. They they change places. The subject becomes a passive, a recipient of the action, because the subject is being acted upon. Such sentences are said to be in passive voice. Now, these examples show the subject being acted upon by the verb. Example, the boy was jumped over by the dog. The boy becomes the subject. The dog jumped over, the boy jumped over the dog. The boy subject was being jumped on the verb. Next, look, a book report will be given by me to the class, by Krishna to the class. A book report will be given by Krishna to the class. Now, the report is the subject. Okay, will be given is the verb, and will be given by Karishma or Krishna or whatever. Now next is, my paper was eaten by the computer ate the paper is simple, but my paper was eaten by the computer. The paper is subject, was eaten is the verb. Now why we use the active voice? Most writers prefer to use active voice because it is more direct. Example, the waiter dropped the tray of the food. Okay, the waiter dropped the glass, the waiter dropped the pan. The passive voice, the tray or the pan or the food or whatever was dropped by the waiter, was dropped by the waiter. Now it is somebody is kind of reporting the word, the action to the other person. Then it becomes a passive voice. The active voice is less awkward and clearly states relationship between the subject and the action. It's very clear. Your request for funding has been denied by the review committee. The review committee denied your request. The review committee, the teachers answered your question. Your question was not answered by so and so. So that becomes a passive voice. And active voice is straight away, the ball was given by the boy. The boy gave the ball. The boy gave the ball. The boy was given by the ball was given by the boy. The active voice sentence pattern propels the reader forward through your writing, thus avoiding weak prose. Now, when do we use passive voice? In general, the passive voice is less direct, less forceful, and less concise than the active voice. Use the passive voice in the following words. Use passive voice when you do not know or do not want to reveal the performer. उसने उसने ये किया था, something like somebody did something, you know. You don't want to be clear about it, so you use a passive voice. You use a passive voice when you want to emphasize the receiver of an action. Example, my bicycle was repainted by John. This is passive. My bicycle was repainted. It's clear because you are not adding an object or anything. So my bicycle was repainted or recycled. So that is the passive voice. Form of passive voice. The passive voice requires double verb and will always consist of a form of the verb to be and the past participle of another verb. Example, John baked the bread. The bread was baked by John. So the passage, John baked the bread, John made the chapati, John, um, Rajiv gave the book was given by Rajiv. Okay, so passive voice, you have to explain who did what. Form of passive voice, writers should be familiar with the form of to be, often uh, calling linking verbs so that they can easily identify the passive voice in the verb. Example, I hope you know, I had already introduced earlier, is, am, are, was, were. That the review of the verb to be, by, being and been. Form of passive voice is to be is kicked, had been kicked. Past tense, was kicked, is going to be kicked, is being kicked, will be kicked. Future, has been kicked, can be kicked again, and was being kicked, should be kicked. Form of passive voice, often passive voice sentence will contain by. Remember, the book was given by Ram. Ram gave the book. There's no by here. The book was given by Ram. So you have passive voice whenever you put, you have to use the word by here. Form of passive voice, example, the cookies were eaten by the children, the toffees were eaten by the children ate that toffees. Simple. Again, the tunnels are dug by the laborers dug the tunnels. Some practice, change the sentence below active voice, and I've given some words here. The statue is visited by hundreds of tourists. My books are stolen by someone yesterday. These books has been left in the classroom by a careless student. Coffee is raised in many parts of the country. The house has been broken into by someone while the owners were on vacation. Change the sentences below to passive voice. Uh, These one you have to, the first one say that statue is being visited by hundreds of um, tourists visit the statue every year. The tourists visit the statue every year. That would be active voice. But if you're putting into passive voice, the statue is being visited by tourists every year. Similarly, if you look at these passive voice, children cannot open these bottles easily. The bottles cannot be opened easily by the children. By, always remember the by comes here. The government built a road right outside the front door. The outside the front door, a road was built by government. Okay. So Mr. Ross broke the antique vase as he walked through the store. When she arrived, the changes amazed her. The construction workers are making street repairs all month long. So both the examples are given. You have to make small sentences and practice. Suppose the man is driving the car. The car is being driven by the man. The man is driving the car is being driven by the man. I opened the door was opened by me. Okay, so you take small, very small, simple sentences. I'll give you 5 sentences, try and practice. Have the first one. Suppose the Ram gave me a book, first sentence. Second, uh, the teacher started the class. Third one, the job has been given by the teacher. Fourth one, I work hard on Mondays. And the last one, we will get over the pandemic. Okay, these are 5 sentences I am leaving you with. Practice from, if they are in active voice, just check them out. If they are in passive voice, you change them into active, and if they are in active, you change them into passive. I will be giving some assignments which you will be practicing gradually, and this is a 5 marks question which you will be getting active passive. Okay, thank you.